Okay, question 2 is a little bit more straightforward perhaps, but only once you understand it. So it says let z plus equal a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers, and the argument is some random theta number. So it doesn't really matter. It's basically saying it could be wherever we want it to be. And then it says show the points represented by z and z minus 2a on the following diagram. So if you pick some random a value and some random b value, then this point right here becomes a plus bi. And then if you're like, okay, well now I need z minus 2a, so this point right here, this is z. So then I need z, which is a plus bi, minus 2a. Well, a minus 2a is negative a, and then the plus bi is just plus bi. Oh, that was a terrible choice of color. Let's cover that up in green so that's maybe not so terrible. Then you're just getting negative a plus bi. So that is going to go over here by negative a, and that point would just be negative a plus bi. It's really not more complicated than that. You end up getting a reflection over the y-axis, and if you think about it, if I'm here and I take away an a and I take away another a, it should make sense that you're at negative a. So it's really just reading the question and maybe blindly moving forward and trying to figure out, okay, what does z minus 2a end up looking like? And that's all you're looking for. Let me know if you have questions.